I watched 100 dropshipping tutorials. Not because I wanted to, because I needed to understand why every single one says the same lot. They all promise you the same thing. I made $50,000 in my first month. None of them explain what happened in month 2. Let me break it down. Every dropshipping video starts with the success story. So I found this product, listed it on Shopify. Within a week, boom, sales. What they skip, the 20 products you tried before that made $0. The 18 Shopify themes you bought and deleted. The $5,000 in ad spend that converted to nothing. They show you the one winning product. They don't show you the graveyard, the warehouse full of inventory that nobody wanted, the supplier in China who now has your refund request flagged. Then they talk about profit. The product costs $3. I sell it for $15. Boom, $12 profit. Okay, cool. That's math. But here's what they don't subtract. Shopify subscription, $30 a month. Email marketing tool, $20 a month. Facebook ads, that's the real number. That's where your profit goes. Then Shopify fees. Then payment processor fees. Then shipping. By the time you actually pocket money, that $12 product made you about 50 cents. And you know where the real money comes from? The course. Every single video ends the same way. I'm going to teach you my exact system. Click the link, $899. Suddenly, they're not making money from dropshipping anymore. They're making money from teaching dropshipping. And statistically, most of you won't make anything back. But they did. They made money from you. Mission accomplished. Look, if you want to dropship, sure. But the first thing you need to understand is, the system that works isn't the system they're teaching you. It's the system that sells you the system. Subscribe for more of me explaining why everything you wanted to do is actually a scam.